Hello and welcome back to Product Critique. Today we have an exciting product to review. The Philips Sonicare ExpertClean 7500 Rechargeable Electric Power Toothbrush. This toothbrush is one of the best Ultrasoft toothbrushes available in the market. So let's dive in and see what makes it so special. The Philips Sonicare ExpertClean 7500 is a high-quality electric toothbrush that is designed to provide an exceptional cleaning experience. With its advanced technology and customizable settings, this toothbrush is sure to revolutionize your oral care routine. Let's start by highlighting some key features of the Philips Sonicare ExpertClean 7500. Removes up to 10x more plaque than a manual toothbrush. Built-in pressure sensor alerts you when brushing too hard. Personalized brushing experience with 4 modes and 3 intensities. Brush sync technology notifies you when to replace brush heads. Includes premium brush heads for plaque control and gum health. Long-lasting battery life and convenient travel case for on-the-go charging. The benefits of using the Philips Sonicare ExpertClean 7500 are numerous. Improved oral health with superior plaque removal. Guidance and feedback to maintain healthy brushing habits. Customizable settings for a personalized brushing experience. Long-lasting battery and travel-friendly design. In conclusion, the Philips Sonicare ExpertClean 7500 is a top-of-the-line electric toothbrush that delivers exceptional cleaning performance and a personalized brushing experience. If you're looking for the best Ultrasoft toothbrush in the market, look no further than the Philips Sonicare ExpertClean 7500. That's all for today's review of the Philips Sonicare ExpertClean 7500 Rechargeable Electric Power Toothbrush. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.